You were praying by the bedside, whispering my name, saying, Lord, protect my child out there. This world is cold and full of pain. I saw the worry in your eyes.